Changes are in the works to make people safer when they're put under sedation at a dentist's office.
KXAN investigator Brian Collister has been investigating patient safety problems involving dentists and anesthesia even before the tragic death of Daisy Lynn Torres. The 14-month-old died in March after going into the dentist to fill some cavities. The autopsy report released last month found the anesthesia caused the little girl's death. And now Texas lawmakers are stepping in.
It wasn't that long until they called me back there saying that there was complications.
The death of 14-month-old Daisy Lynn Torres this spring while under anesthesia at an Austin dental office was very much on the mind of lawmakers who overwhelmingly backed sweeping changes to the state's dental board today.
Well, it's going to make people safer and more assured that when they receive care, medical care, dental care, that they're getting care in a fashion that is safe and effective by licensed individuals that are properly qualified and trained.
Georgetown Senator Charles Schwertner, a doctor and pharmacist, wrote many of the recommended changes approved by the Sunset Commission. It's in response to problems laid out in a recent report by the state's watchdog agency, which found complications from dental procedures using anesthesia have caused serious harm to Texas patients, including death. Sunset's investigators found 112 complaints related to anesthesia since 2012, and this year is likely to hit a record high. Of those, 41 patients died. A KXAN investigation in May showed the dental board not doing any inspections of dental offices where sedation is offered.
People are dying and being hurt while under anesthesia in dental offices. What is this agency doing to make sure the public is safe?
We are absolutely trying to do our best.
Now lawmakers are promising more will be done to protect patients.
Inspections, permitting, licensure, education requirements, emergency management plans.
We would have been married 36 years the day Brian died. That was our anniversary.
Too late for Sharon Gill's husband, Brian, who died after being sedated for what should have been a simple dental procedure in February of 2014.
I kissed him goodbye and told him I loved him. And it's the last time I saw him alive. I'll never forget that.
The changes adopted today by the Sunset Commission will be drafted into proposed legislation and presented to lawmakers early next year. Brian Collister, KXAN Investigates.
Lawmakers are already promising they will find money in next year's budget to fund these changes, but we won't know the price tag until lawmakers are ready to consider the bill, which will come with a fiscal note attached.